You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Item provided by J at Play for review.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by. Alyse and I are going to check out a big box of Boxy girls.
Yes, but we also need to say thanks to J at Play for sending us these Boxy girls.
Yes, and this looks like a shipping box, and it says on the outside there, unbox 33 plus surprises.
It's also ages 6+.
There are 2 full-size limited edition dolls included, 28 boxes inside. Hi, I'm Stevie.
Hi, I'm Everly.
Everly. Good, close enough. How's that?
Okay.
Yeah, that might be how they pronounce it. I don't know.
Hey, yeah.
All right, there is. See, it's made to look like a shipping box. You got your from and your ship to, my best friend. And then this side, handle with care. This way up.
Okay.
Hashtag unbox with Boxy. And then, okay, so there is, we get 2 full-size limited edition dolls inside this box.
All right.
Well, I have to say, being the Lucky Penny Shop, we are pretty lucky that they want to send us toys to show everybody in the world what they are like. So let's see. Our videos tend to be a little longer than everybody else's, so we take a little more time. Okay, you start reaching in there and see what comes out. Oh, I see. So the box has 2 boxes.
All right.
It says keep dry. All right, so I think we should let you open up one, and I'll open up the other.
Okay. 2 boxes in a box.
And I bet you there's going to be a lot more boxes inside the box. All right. Ooh, so there is the doll, the exclusive doll. Here we go. All right.
I rolled it up the wrong way. That's okay.
That's all right.
There.
I'm going to do that. Okay, so look at all their accessories and look at the dolls.
Yeah.
All right, I think we're going to leave the dolls intact. We'll take one doll out and leave the other one intact.
Okay.
Well, let's see. Let me take yours out of the package. Now, what you do with these is you just start unboxing all of the boxes. It's as simple as that. So,
all right.
Go ahead and start. Have fun. Do your thing. Okay, so this is the doll.
Can't get it.
Well, use the other tool here.
Oh, okay.
Actually, I think you can just push the bottom in. See?
No.
Push the bottom through and then pop it out. Yeah, there you go.
Thank you.
Okay, so I will check out the doll number 1.
Okay, we got some cute sunglasses.
If I'm not mistaken, does it look like she's in a towel?
Yeah, it does.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So it's a Velcro towel. And then, oh wait, hold on a second. I can put these on her now because now we've
headphones.
got... Oh, all right. Here we go. She's styling now with her headphones.
And sunglasses.
And her sunglasses.
And there's a nice
Check
little
that out.
crown, too.
Oh, all right. Let's throw that crown in there.
Okay.
Now, that's definitely not good fashion sense, let me tell you.
Yeah.
Okay, so they're owls. Their eyes.
Here's some cute little shoes.
Oh, I need some shoes. Look, see, I'm missing shoes. Okay, so look, she bends there, so you can actually have her sit on one of the boxes like this. Cross those legs. And then her arms and her wrists move. What is that?
I don't know.
Looks like some kind of disco ball or something.
Oh, maybe it's a purse.
It's a fun little purse, okay? I'll put some shoes on her.
All right.
What else can we dress her up in?
Ooh, it's a little hair extension.
A hair extension. Okay, let's clip that in there. Now, we opened the other one, but I think we're going to give that set away.
Yeah.
I don't know, I just been feeling like giving things away. We're lucky enough to get...
we got some nice
hold on a second.
earrings and a necklace.
All right, hold on.
Hoops.
Actually, you should be the one doing all the designing here. Okay, so there's her hair extension.
Okay.
And then give me the earrings. Okay, so there's holes here where you can put the earrings in.
Here's a nice little French fry purse.
Oh, I like that. French fry purse, yeah. Oh, give me the other earring.
The other one.
Thank you very much.
And then here's the necklace. Necklace or bracelet?
I think it's a bracelet. It's a choker. How's that?
Yeah, we can call it that. And then there's our French fry
You like chokers,
bag.
don't you like them?
Yeah, I do. I love chokers.
Okay, yeah, we'll do it like
Ooh,
that.
Some more shoes.
All right, let me catch up
Heels.
here now. It's a fashion time. Let's fix that towel.
Where's our outfit?
I don't know. We'll find out. Maybe it's in the other big box.
Oh, probably. Ooh. Here's another necklace. Now this is a bracelet.
Yes, I agree with you on that.
And then here's a blue necklace.
Okay, let's get this on. Okay, so you can really
Ooh.
do a
Here's a shirt.
Aha!
Or a dress, maybe. Here you go.
Okay, well, I'll tell you what. I think you will take her off camera there and change her so
Okay.
we don't show everybody that. And then I will open up a few boxes while you do that.
Okay. Maybe I take off her shoes
Okay,
first.
so I got the comb or a brush. Okay, so these are all the accessories. We got the French fry purse. We got almost like a tiara or head tiara there, right? Mm-hmm. And then let's see, what else? Oh, okay, so I have some more earrings. These look like maybe teardrop style earrings. Here's some lipstick. And then here is a black shoe. And then another black shoe. Now, some of them have tissue. This one has confetti inside.
Here you go.
Okay, all right. Oh, that's much better than the towel. That's a cute little dress, huh?
Mm-hmm. Here, let me put the black shoes on her.
You think it's better with the black shoes?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think the green earrings would be better. Don't you think so?
Yeah, and then these sunglasses.
Okay, so that's her style today.
Okay. Here's a bracelet, too. What was in that big box?
Something that I unpacked here. I think the brush.
Oh, okay.
All right, you hold her, play with her. I'm going to change the camera around. Does her head turn?
Yes, it does. I think. Yeah, it does.
Okay, all right, cool.
And her wrists can move. Her knees.
All right, let's get her to sit. Can you get her to sit on a box? Sure. And we'll put all of her accessories around her. Okay, she's going to cross those legs now. Come on, there we go. That's good. Okay, now set up all the accessories we got. Little lipstick.
Here's the shoes.
Headset.
Here's another necklace. Her bracelet.
Oh, there's an earring. Okay, yeah, I think the the French fry purse would be a better purse. Right there.
Cool.
That's styling. All right, so we have this limited edition doll to give away with the other ones. We didn't open them. We tried to keep that all compact and ready to ship out. So if you want to get something from Lucky Penny Shop, you need to send us a letter with the parental consent. And then we will read it. And thank you, because a lot of people are saying, Dave, Butch, and Alyse. We love your videos, or whatever you want to say, and then we will read them. And we recently did a mail day. I don't know when this video is coming out, but we read about 15 of the letters we got on video and showed everybody what they got.
Yeah.
So check in that description. And thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video for the Boxy girls with our limited edition dolls. Look in that description. Later.
Bye.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a Lucky Penny,
Pick it up.